Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Jinia Putri Trisnaida and my student number is 24130420079. And in this video, I will analyze an exposition text entitled Artificial Intelligence in Education. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become one of the most influential technologies in modern society. Today, AI is used in many areas, including healthcare, business, transportation, and education. The text I choose discuss how AI is changing the educational system and helping both teachers and students in the learning process. In this presentation, I will explain the purpose of the text, its structures, the main idea, supporting details, and the author's purpose. Then, I will demonstrate critical reading skills by creating and answering 3 critical questions. Finally, I will share my personal response and reflection on the importance of critical reading. First, I will discuss the purpose of the text. The purpose of this exposition text is to inform readers about the role of artificial intelligence in education and to persuade them that AI can be a useful tool for improving teaching and learning. The text follows the typical structure of an exposition text, which consists of a thesis, statement, arguments, and a conclusion. The thesis statement introduces the idea that AI is becoming increasingly important in education and has the potential to improve learning outcomes. The argument section provides several reasons to support this idea. The first argument is that AI can personalize learning experience. Different students learn at different speeds and have different learning styles. AI system can analyze students' performance and provide materials that match their individual needs. The second argument is that AI can provide immediate feedback. Students do not need to wait for a teacher to check every assignment because some AI-powered system can evaluate answers and provide suggestions instantly. The third argument is that AI can reduce teachers' workload. Administrative tasks such as grading quizzes, managing attendance, and organizing learning materials can be completed more efficiently with the help of AI technology. The conclusion of the text emphasizes that although AI offers many benefits, it should be used responsibly and under human supervision. Teachers still play an important role in guiding students and developing their critical thinking skills. The main idea of the text is that artificial intelligence can improve educational quality and make learning more effective. The supporting details include examples of personalized learning, instant feedback, increasing access to information, and improved efficiency for teachers. The author's purpose is not only to inform readers about AI, but also to encourage them to accept technological development as tools that can support education. Now, I will demonstrate my critical reading skills by asking and answering 3 critical questions. Question number 1. Is the information in the text reliable? In my opinion, the information is generally reliable because the ideas presented are consistent with current developments in educational technology. Many schools and universities have already started using AI-powered learning platforms. However, the text would be more reliable if it included research data, statistics, or reference from experts and academic journals. Question number 2. Does the author show any bias? The author mainly focuses on the positive effects of AI. While some challenges are mentioned, the discussion about potential risks is quite limited. For example, issues such as data privacy, technology dependence, and unequal access to digital resources are not discussed in detail. Therefore, the text appears slightly biased toward the advantages of AI. Question number 3. The arguments strong and convincing. The arguments are convincing because they are supported by logical explanation and practical example. The author clearly explains how AI can help students and teachers. However, the arguments would be stronger if the author compared both the advantage and disadvantage of AI in a more balanced way. By asking the questions, we can evaluate the quality of the text rather than simply accepting the information. Personally, I think this text is very interesting because AI has become an important part of students' daily lives. As a student of English education, I often use technology to support my learning activities. AI can help students find information, improving writing skills, learn languages, and access educational resources more quickly. However, I believe that students should not depend entirely on AI. Technology is a tool, but learning still requires effort, creativity, and critical thinking. Students need to understand information rather than simply copying answers generated by technology. I also believe that teachers remain essential in education. AI can be beneficial, but it should always be used to support human learning rather than replace human intelligence. To conclude, the exposition text artificial intelligence in education explains how AI can improve learning experiences, increasing efficiency, and provide personalized support for students and teachers. The text aims to inform readers about the benefit of AI and persuade them to view it as a valuable educational tool. Through critical reading, I analyzed the reliability of the information, identified possible bias, and evaluated the strength of the author's arguments. This activity reminds us that critical reading is very important because it helps us analyze information carefully, identify strengths and weaknesses in a text, and make informed judgments. Thank you for watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.